Today, we are grilling up something bold, juicy, and full of flavor. Korean flanken-style ribs. They're thin, they're marinated to perfection, and they're ready in less than 10 minutes. This is gonna be one for the books, and you're gonna want this in your regular rotation. But hey, before we dive in, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit subscribe, drop a comment down below with your favorite way that you like to grill beef. It helps me keep cooking and tells the algorithm we're doing something right. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get prepared, shall we? Let's dive right into this marinade because it is so easy and so simple to put together, and it takes no time at all. So let's go ahead and assemble this right now.
Here's a little pro tip for you. Do a little mise en place beforehand. That just means getting everything ready, everything in its place. Now the marinade.
Start with half a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup dark brown sugar, 1/4 cup water, 2 garlic cloves, so I did 3, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 2 chopped green onions, and 2 tablespoons sesame oil. And then we're just gonna whisk it all together. Make sure that brown sugar is all dissolved in there. I think that's good. What do you think? Okay, cool. All right, well, that was fun and simple, right? Next step, our meats. Good news, folks. We have the meats. That's right. So today we're working with what's called flanken-style ribs. You know those dino bone ribs, those big, giant, short ribs? Well, guess what? That's all that this is, except it's cut the other way. You can see the 1, 2, 3 bones in there. Can you see that? So all we're gonna do for this is really simple. We're gonna take our meat, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do 5. We have 5 ribs here today, all right? And all we're gonna do now is take our marinade and simply pour it over. That's right, get as much of that goodness in there as we can. All right, we're gonna try and squeeze as much of the air out as we can here. Zip it off. Now you can do this in a Cambro, you can do it in a Tupperware, whatever you have, however you want to do it, that's the right way. All we do now, mush it around, mush this around, okay? And now we're ready for cooking, right? No. This has to go in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, maybe even overnight. I don't know, it's up to you. The longer it marinates, the better off it is. Did you hear that thunder? Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go inside and put this in the refrigerator. So I get to do my favorite thing now. To the refrigerator! Good news. Here they are, all marinated. We got 4 hours in. 4 hours, we had some rain, it was crazy, all right? So let's talk about our grill setup. We're gonna be cooking direct. We want flames right on it. We wanna char these things, okay? So we're gonna light this up. I got it loaded up with big green egg lump charcoal, boom. And we got a couple of speedy starters in here. Let's go ahead, I got them laid in. Let me show you how I laid them out. What I've got it filled up all the way to the top here, okay? I got 4 speedy lights because I want this whole thing lit up. So what we're gonna do is get it going everywhere so this whole entire surface is all lit up. Now by lighting it like this, being that we're in 4 different areas, it's gonna light the charcoal so that this whole thing is gonna be ready to grill at the same time. Cast iron grates, isn't that great? Now while the grill's heating up, let's talk about I was gonna make this a tailgating video, okay? Because you can use these are awesome at a tailgate party because you can pick them up and just eat them like this. You can eat them with a knife and fork. You can chop them up, put them in a taco, put a little like pickled daikon or pickled carrots, so good on a taco like that. But this is what is great for a tailgate party, anything. So that's why we're using the MiniMax today, not the big giant grill, okay? Kind of cool. Now we just wait while this heats up. And wait. And wait. And wait. Now let's take a look and see what they look like here. Right. So beautifully marinated. I'm gonna give them a little shake before we put them on, okay? You don't want too much liquid on them. But look at that. That's gonna be gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. See the 3 bones? 1 bone there, 1 bone there, 1 bone there. That's the 3 bones of the short ribs. And you can take all this marinade and just drink it. No, don't do that. Now we're grilling today, so as you can see, we've got the vent wide open. And with that, I believe we are ready to grill. So let's go ahead and throw these babies on. Oh yeah, the sizzle tells you everything, baby. It's the sizzle that sells the steak or the ribs or whatever. Give it a little shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. Now we're grilling these hot and fast today, so we're only gonna go about 3 minutes per side. We're gonna leave it, don't touch, don't look, don't do anything. 3 minutes per side, flip, 3 minutes, and boom, these babies are done. They're nice and thin, so we just wanna char them and cook them all the way through. That's it. Now we're about 2 minutes in, they are looking and smelling good. If you could only smell this, you would like freak out and lose your mind. Oh, yeah. See that nice, beautiful colorization right there? That's what you want. You want to get that char. That's creating umami. It's like the 6th sense, all right? That's where all the super flavors are. All right, we're just over 3 minutes, so let's go ahead and give them a flip. Let's see here. I love it when a plan comes together. All right, these babies are done. Done. Look at that beautiful char on them. Oh my goodness. The only thing I feel bad about is that you're not here to share it with me. That's the only thing I feel bad about. The only thing. All right, now, the only thing we have left, we're gonna sprinkle them with some green onion and some sesame seeds. Now, if you notice the green onion, I slice them on the angle, on the bias, because what happens is if you do that, it exposes more surface area, lets more oils out, more flavor. Pretty cool, right? A little bit of green onion across the top and toasted sesame seeds, okay? If you buy regular sesame seeds, put them in a pan for a minute and roast them. You won't be sorry. And there you have it. Those are galbi Korean barbecue ribs. All right, somehow we have managed to finish off filming without it raining. How bizarre is that? And I think that you know what time it is now. It's my favorite time in the video, okay? Look at that. See that brown sugar causes that beautiful char on the outside? Gives it that just absolutely burst of umami flavor. So let's go ahead and try it out and see what we think. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. That's so good. Oh my God. It's ridiculous. Sweet, savory. You guys, you know, this backyard grilling thing, it's not so bad. That's everything I've got, okay? If you make this recipe, I want to see it. Give me a shout out. I would love to see your recipe. Hey, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, give us a comment, give us a like, everything. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. I know I say that every week, but it's true, all right? Anyway, this is my Korean barbecue ribs, galbi ribs, kalbi ribs, however you want to say it. I call them flavorful ribs. You know, actually, flavorful might be not even a strong enough word. They're crazy good. Now, if you make these for a tailgate party, go out, enjoy them, have fun, feed your friends, and have a great time. And enjoy the game, and I hope your team wins, unless you're playing the Dolphins. Although, who cares? Anyway, that's all I got. Captain Ron,